welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Shannon Lee, the Veggie Nut, and I make all kinds of vegan related videos to help you live a more healthy, compassionate life. If that's something that sounds interesting to you, hit the subscribe button down below, that way you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get right into this one. If you're a lipstick junkie like myself, then you love yourself a good red lip. I know I do. I don't quite have the lips for it. I have a little bit of thin, crooked lips, but I still rock a red lipstick because who's gonna stop me? There's so many red lipsticks on the market today, it's a bit overwhelming. There's some with orange undertones to blue undertones. There's a variety of different red shades. Today, I'm going to share with you all of my favorite red lipsticks. If you're interested in any of these shades, I'm going to have all the lipsticks shown in this video listed down below, so check the description for more information. Now let's try on some lipsticks, have a little fun. Cue the music.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day, 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change, 'cause baby I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no.